You're not weak, you're not lazy, but every day you wake up promising yourself this time will be different. You'll be disciplined, you'll study, you'll stay focused. But 2 hours later, you're scrolling again, stuck in the same loop. Here's the truth. Nothing is wrong with you. Your brain is fighting something it was never designed to handle. And what I'm about to show you will completely change how you think about discipline. So watch till the end, because the last step is the one most people miss. The problem is overstimulation. Your brain wasn't built for the world you're living in. It evolved to seek small, natural rewards: food, safety, connection. But now, you're getting dopamine hits every 3 seconds. Every notification, every like, every video. Your brain is being flooded at levels it can't handle. And here's what happens. Your dopamine receptors burn out. Normal activities, studying, working, reading, they don't feel rewarding anymore. Your brain is numb. It needs stronger stimulation just to feel something. So discipline, which requires effort with delayed rewards, feels impossibly hard. Your brain has been rewired to expect instant gratification. That's why you can scroll for 3 hours but can't focus on work for 10 minutes. It's not laziness, it's brain chemistry. So how do you fix it? Here are 5 steps that will rewire how your brain handles discipline. 1. Reset your dopamine baseline. Go 7 days with zero cheap dopamine. No social media, no binge watching, no endless scrolling. Your brain needs to remember what normal stimulation feels like. Let yourself be bored, sit with it. That discomfort is your brain healing. After a week, discipline stops feeling like torture and starts feeling possible. 2. Make discipline easier than distraction. Your environment controls you more than willpower ever will. Delete the apps. Put your phone in another room. Block the websites. Make distraction require effort and discipline require none. When the path of least resistance leads to productivity, you win by default. 3. Start embarrassingly small. You don't need to study for 4 hours. Start with 10 minutes. You don't need a 2-hour workout. Start with 10 push-ups. Your brain resists big goals. It doesn't resist tiny ones. And once you start, momentum takes over. The hardest part is always starting. Make starting so easy you can't say no. 4. Reward yourself immediately. After every focused session, do something you enjoy. 5 minutes of music, a short walk, a snack you like. Your brain needs to learn that discipline leads to pleasure. Right now, it only associates discipline with pain. Change that association and discipline becomes automatic. 5. Track visible progress. Mark every disciplined day on a calendar. Watch the streak build. You're not just trying to be disciplined, you're protecting a streak. And the longer it grows, the harder it becomes to break. Visual proof turns discipline from a feeling into evidence. Discipline doesn't feel harder because you're weaker. It feels harder because the world got more distracting. But now you know exactly how to fight back. Comment, "I'm fixing this," if you're ready. Subscribe if you're done letting distraction win.